You work hard, but somehow your money vanishes. You tell yourself, next month I'll start budgeting, but the month ends with overdraft fees and stress. Let me ask you something. If you don't control your money, who does? In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to hand you a complete roadmap to master your personal finances, the same principles millionaires live by, even if you're earning just $2,000 a month. But stay sharp. This isn't some save $5 on coffee lecture. We're about to challenge everything you thought you knew about money. Here's the truth. No one wants to say out loud, most people are financially drowning. Not because they're lazy, not because they're dumb, but because they were never taught how money works. You were told to go to school, get a job, and everything else will fall into place. But guess what? That plan doesn't come with a manual for managing your income, planning your future, or escaping the trap of consumer debt. I mean, you probably know more about assembling IKEA furniture than building a budget. And let's be honest, that's saying something. Here's why this matters. If you don't manage your money with intention, someone else will. Advertisers, lenders, subscriptions you forgot to cancel. Financial freedom isn't about how much you make. It's about how well you manage what you keep. You can't fix what you don't track. Start with 2 numbers. How much is coming in? Where is it going? Use apps like You Need a Budget, Every Dollar, or a simple Google Sheet. List every dollar you spend, even the $4.99 Spotify student discount. Yes, even that. Awareness is financial power. Willpower is overrated. Systems are everything. Automate transfers, a percentage, to savings the day your paycheck hits. Another chunk toward debt repayment. What's left is what you can spend. What if your future self could thank you every Friday with an automatic payday into your freedom fund? Would you set it up right now? Most people save after spending. The wealthy, they spend what's left after saving. This tiny shift in paying yourself first turns you from a consumer into an investor in your own life. Start with 10%, grow to 20%, and protect it like it's oxygen. Because one day it will be. Life is unpredictable. Medical bill, job loss, flat tire, that $1,000 emergency fund, it's not a luxury, it's your shield against chaos. Without it, every bump in the road becomes a financial crash. Just got a raise? Congrats, don't blow it. Upgrade your savings before you upgrade your car, or you'll just end up in a nicer version of broke. Imagine this, no stress when the rent is due. A savings account that actually grows. A life where you choose how your money works, not the other way around. That's not a dream. That's what happens when you take control. The power of personal finance management is that it puts you in the driver's seat, and the road ahead becomes one of purpose, not panic. If you've ever asked yourself, why can't I seem to keep money no matter what I do? Then don't miss our next video.